Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn that how we can use variable along with integer or number, like adding and multiplying number with variables in different times. Now what I'm talking all about, let's directly go to the example and see what is going on here. Now for example, in previous example we just wrote that program, and it was vegetable price which is equal to 2, and we had like vegetable weight which is 5, and the total price will be like we have wage multiplied by wage weight. And how about if I'm saying that I'm taking the vegetable for completely like 1 week, then how we are going to just write that program along with variable, and we are going to write the number as well. Okay, first we have to understand that what is like I'm going to write how many days we have in 1 week, which is week is equal to 7. Okay, it means we have days in 1 week, 7 days, it is 7 days. Now I'm going to write that same thing. And the price, it means if I'm going to write for I'm going to take all of these for 7 days, then I do two things. Either I can just make that first bracket and second bracket, and we are going to write weight, first weight with vegetable price, and then we are going to multiply with 7. And now when we are going to run the program, then you will see that we will get like $87. Total price will be 87. Why? We have just multiplied 7 times with, we have 12. Okay, 12 now multiply by 7 times and it will be 84. Now therefore it will be more easy, like if I'm going to use 360 days for 1 year, and 1 year, you know that 1 year is equal to how many days? It is nearly approximately we have 360 days. Okay, or 365 days, but I am going to write like 360 days or 365 days. Okay, now what we are going to write that how much the price will be, like if I'm multiplying that with 365 days, what will be my annual expenses while I'm just taking every day. I'm just using every day $2, and I'm buying just 6 kg of vegetable. And now if I'm going to run that program, and you are going to check that here you have like $4,380 you have to expend for what, for the vegetable, which is the price is $2 and the weight is $6, and you are taking everyday vegetable, which is I think not healthy as you are going to take. But for this example we have like this one. If for example I'm going to say that one more program we are going to quickly do. Okay, now what I have, I'm working in the office. Okay, and therefore my salary is like what, how many, let me just do make it easy, $100. Okay, per week. And we are going to say that is in per week. If we are going to write the comment here, we are going to say $100 per week. Okay, $100, and we have per week. Then next we are going to write like what we are going to write like we have, let me just take that here at the top or top. Okay, now I have in work week, which is $100 per week. Then what else we are going to say that it is salary $100. And now what I'm working for 1 month, then for 1 month we are going to say that for 1 month, if I'm going to comment that for 1 month, then what will be my salary. Okay, how we are going to write that one. Now salary multiply by how many week we have in 1 month. Let me write like month is equal to 4. Now why I'm writing that for, in 1 month how many week we have, like in 1 month we have is equal to 4 week. 4 weeks. Here is my program. Okay, now what I need, I have since 4 week in 1 month, and therefore it is not month let me write in week. Okay, that is very well. Salary in week. Let me make it more clear now. What we are going to say that how much will be my salary in one month, then we are going to multiply that in 1 year, then we are going to multiply that in trimester or semester or whatsoever we are going to do. That will be very easy. First we are going to say in 1 month. Okay, my total salary in 1 month. I am going to write total salary in 1 month. Total salary in 1 month. Okay, now what will be that one? I say that total is equal to and underscore salary, and that should be equal to what is that salary in week. Okay, salary in week multiply by and static multiply by month in week. And what will be that? If I'm going to multiply 100 with 4, then I have now here print. What I'm going to print, it should be total salary. Now we are going to write like it is 400 rupees, not rupees, sorry, it is in dollar because we are going to write that in dollar, therefore we have $400. Now in 1 month I'm earning $400 if my salary in 1 week is $100, and therefore I'm writing that in 1 week we have 4 in month in week we have 4 week in 1 month, and therefore we are going to write here total salary, and total salary will be something like is equal to salary in week whatsoever how much I'm getting salary in a week multiply by month. In 1 month we have 4 weeks, it means I'm doing in 4 weeks. Now if I'm going to if I'm going to make some more variation, if I have like 120, my salary is $1,250, then we are going to run how much salary I will get. That is like we have $5,000. Now how about if I'm going to write that in year? Okay, now for example I have how many I have like how much I am earning in 1 year. Okay, now 1 year's salary, what will be that one? I'm going to write how much we have 1 year print like I should write month. Okay, month, salary in month, which we got, I think salary in month we got these one. Okay, like we have total salary. Now what I'm going to write in 1 month we are getting like 5,000. Let me run one again. Okay, it is 5,000. Then in 1 year we are going to multiply that like 1 years and salary is equal to what should I do here? Now we are going to make that simple. Okay, how much we have in how many months we have in 1 year? That is 12. Okay, now in 1 month I got that. Okay, total salary, let me write total salary and multiply by 12. Now what I'm going to do right now, print, and we have 1. Okay, we are going to remove quotation 1 year salary. Okay, now we are going to multiply. Now in 1 month let me just write here as well, print 1 month of salary, and we are going to write print here as well 1 year of salary, print, and we have 1 year of salary. Now let me just print that. Okay, we have 1 month of salary which is $5,000, and we have 1 year salary which is $60,000. Now what I have done here, let me just show you. I just write everything here like we have $10 per week. Okay, salary in week which is equal to in 1 week I'm getting that much salary. Okay, in 1 month we have 4 weeks. Since I'm writing that for my memorization, that I'm doing like that one month, a month in a week we have 4. Okay, now total salary in 1 month, what will be? I have to multiply these one with that one. Okay, now when we are going to multiply salary in week with 4 week, then we will get total memory in 1 month. Therefore total salary, if I'm going to write in 1 month, that will be more accurate, but we have written that already. But don't forget that salary in a week, we are going to multiply that with these one, month in week. Okay, now it is 4. Therefore we are going to print that when we are getting salary in a month. Okay, now for example, if I'm going to, I need that for 1 year, that I said that 1 year salary, what will be 1 year salary? That is 1 month of salary, total salary which I got here, I have to multiply that with 12, because in 1 year we have 12 month. Therefore when I'm going to print that 1 year of salary, 1 year of salary, then I'm getting like these one, 60,000, and I have here 5,000 in 1 month and 60,000 in 1 year. Now easily we can change each and everything with variable. Like if I have very odd integer like these one, I'm going to just try that one, and you can see that one month of salary will be 8,980, and 1 year of salary will be like I have 1 lakh, or we can say 107k of salary, and it is very difficult for me as well to just read that one. And therefore Python is doing everything very easy, and we are using variable with the number as well. I see you in next video. Thank you everyone.